Protext Mobility, Kettle Technology Platform Presentation Deck. Welcome to Protext Mobility Incorporated, ticker symbol TXTM, a company engineering the infrastructure layer between biology, pharmaceutical science, and digital capital markets. At the convergence of next-generation biotechnology, active pharmaceutical ingredient infrastructure, live plant extraction technology, nanotechnology-enhanced bioavailability, real-world asset infrastructure, tokenization, and digital financial systems, TXTM is positioning itself to participate in one of the most significant industrial transformations of the modern era. This is more than a company. This is the emergence of biological to digital infrastructure. TXTM's evolution represents a strategic transition from legacy corporate structure into a vertically integrated biotechnology and infrastructure platform. The company is aligning multiple operational layers across biological science, pharmaceutical engineering, advanced extraction technologies, nanotechnology delivery systems, and tokenized real-world asset infrastructure. Rather than operating within a single industry silo, TXTM is positioning itself at the convergence of biology, pharmaceutical science, and digital finance. The objective is clear: to build scalable infrastructure capable of bridging physical biological systems with next-generation digital capital markets. At the center of TXTM's thesis is a vertically integrated value loop, biological inventory, transformed through pharmaceutical-grade API engineering, then positioned for potential participation within digital real-world asset infrastructure. This framework is designed to convert agricultural biomass into higher-value pharmaceutical systems while creating future pathways toward digital financial interoperability. The vision is scalable: biology evolving into science, science evolving into finance. Protext Mobility's operational model is structured across 6 integrated infrastructure layers: biological production, live plant extraction, API engineering, nanotechnology-enhanced delivery systems, digital infrastructure, and institutional capital access. Each layer is designed to strengthen the next, creating a vertically integrated architecture capable of supporting scalable pharmaceutical and digital financial ecosystems. This layered structure represents infrastructure, not speculation. TXTM's live plant extraction systems focus on preserving the molecular integrity of botanical compounds prior to degradation. The objective is to retain full-spectrum phytonutrients while supporting enhanced bioavailability, improved molecular stability, and advanced therapeutic efficiency. By reducing degradation during processing, the company seeks to maximize the biological value of the plant at the molecular level. This represents a shift away from traditional commodity extraction toward pharmaceutical-grade scientific engineering. Traditional extraction systems often rely on methods that reduce phytochemical integrity and limit bioavailability. TXTM's live plant systems are designed to focus on molecular preservation, nano-enhanced absorption potential, and pharmaceutical-grade formulation pathways. The distinction is significant. Commodity extraction focuses on volume. Advanced pharmaceutical engineering focuses on precision, stability, efficiency, and therapeutic optimization. This is where infrastructure begins to separate itself from conventional industry models. Protext Mobility's platform architecture follows a vertically integrated progression, beginning with biological cultivation systems, advancing into live plant extraction processing, then nano-enhanced formulations, followed by pharmaceutical-grade active pharmaceutical ingredients, and ultimately, future digital real-world asset representation. Each operational stage is intended to increase value creation potential across the ecosystem, from raw biomass to high-value pharmaceutical infrastructure. The strategic integration with TrueLeaf Health strengthens TXTM's formulation and wellness infrastructure. This includes cannabinoid formulation development, nanotechnology delivery systems, advanced bioavailability strategies, and scalable API commercialization pathways. The integration creates synergies between live plant extraction, pharmaceutical engineering, wellness applications, and next-generation therapeutic development. The broader Protext Mobility ecosystem includes access to permits, cultivation operations, industrial hemp infrastructure, regenerative farming methods, propagation programs, genetic development initiatives, eco-farming systems, and sustainable agricultural models. The long-term objective is to build scalable pharmaceutical-grade biological supply systems capable of supporting future API production. At scale, agriculture becomes more than farming. It becomes infrastructure for future pharmaceutical manufacturing. South Africa presents significant strategic advantages within the broader Protext mobility framework. These include favorable cultivation climates, large-scale agricultural capacity, lower production costs, export positioning, and potential participation within BRICS expansion initiatives and African continental trade frameworks. Combined with USD to ZAR operational leverage, these macroeconomic dynamics may create scalable infrastructure opportunities capable of supporting global participation. Protext Mobility's strategic roadmap progresses through 5 major phases: infrastructure foundation, API engineering and extraction systems, IFRS transition and audited financials, real-world asset tokenization infrastructure, and ultimately, global expansion and exchange uplisting initiatives. Each phase is designed to strengthen the operational and institutional maturity of the ecosystem. Protext Mobility is not positioning itself as simply a cultivation company, not simply a biotechnology startup, and not simply a blockchain concept. The company's broader objective is to build the infrastructure layer between biological production, pharmaceutical science, and digital capital markets. That distinction changes the scale of the vision entirely. The long-term vision is ambitious, to help build the future infrastructure for active pharmaceutical ingredients, tokenized biological assets, high bioavailability wellness systems, and global digital liquidity networks. The objective is to create a scalable bridge between biological production systems and next-generation digital financial infrastructure, a future where biology and finance become interoperable at global scale. In conclusion, Protext Mobility's focus remains centered on science, infrastructure, scalability, capital discipline, and long-term global expansion. As industries continue converging, TXTM is positioning itself to participate within the next generation of biological to digital infrastructure. The evolution has already begun. Protext Mobility is engineering the future infrastructure layer between biology, pharmaceutical science, and global digital capital. The next era of infrastructure may not be built solely with steel, concrete, and code. It may also be built with biology. Thank you.